Today I'm going to be cooking some ramen on the Blackstone E-Series indoor griddle. So I've got 2 packs of these ramen noodles, and I will not be using any of the seasoning packets that came with it. I've got some fresh shrimp. You could also use chicken or pork. Some carrots and broccoli, green onions, oyster sauce, some shoyu soy sauce, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and 2 packs of the noodles. It's not going to take very long to cook this. So first I'm going to put a little oil on the Blackstone. And as usual, it runs to that one side because it's not level. And next I'll place my shrimp. And I'm going to put a little more oil right on top of the shrimp. Usually I use butter, but I'm not going to use butter for this. Next I'll put a little oil here for my vegetables. I really need to start leveling this a little better so all my oil doesn't always run to this one side. Put just a little more oil on the vegetables. And now I'm going to put some salt and pepper. I'm going to salt my shrimp also. I don't want to use too much salt because the soy sauce is going to be salty also. Some black pepper. And now I'll just let this cook for a couple minutes. I'll turn my shrimp and I'll also turn my vegetables. Okay, it's been about a minute and a half. You turn these shrimp over, they're coming along nicely. I definitely don't want the shrimp to get overcooked and get tough. And let me toss the vegetables a little bit. And if I forgot to mention it, which I think I did, I do have the griddle set on 500 degrees. And I'll put some water on the vegetables just to make a little steam to help them cook. Okay, the vegetables are just about done. So next I will add my noodles onto the griddle. I'm going to put some oil. A little garlic powder. Black pepper. And again, just a tiny bit of salt. So I'll mix in my noodles and my vegetables. And kind of spread these noodles out a little bit. And you know, ramen, it can be difficult to work with sometimes because those noodles kind of get all entangled together. So I just keep kind of pulling them apart with the spatula. And spreading them out. Alright, at this point, everything is just about done. So I'm going to add my oyster sauce. only about maybe a tablespoon or so. My green onions. And my soy sauce. Now I can pull everything together, get it mixed good, let those flavors start combining, and the ramen will be done. I tell you, my friend Andy over at the Cooking Experience, and if you haven't seen his channel, you should definitely check it out. He's a way better cook than I am, by the way. But yeah, his channel is the Cooking Experience, so check him out here on YouTube. But he's got one of these Beaver, I think it's a 22-inch flat top griddle, and man, that thing is nice. So I may look at investing in one of those in the future. I don't know yet. I would love to have one, but for me, space is really at a premium because I have so many cooking appliances and gadgets and things like that. But he does some really, really good stuff with his cooking. Like I said, he's a much better cook than I am, and you know, he takes stuff to another level. So be sure and check him out if you get a chance and you want to see this type of cooking. Almost lost the shrimp there. Alright, everything is mixed in pretty good. I am going to hit it with a little more shoyu soy sauce. Mix it up one more time. And then I am going to be done. Alright, I'm going to pull my ramen off, get it plated up. So there is my shrimp fried ramen with veggies, and it was super quick, it was super easy. So if you're looking for something that you're not going to have to spend a whole lot of time cooking, you can cook something like this. And as I said earlier, it doesn't have to be shrimp. I just happen to have some shrimp on hand. But it's also good with a lot of other meats too, if you want to take your ramen up to another level. So that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. As always, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.